what we got in our package. Alright, let's check it out. Oh, good doggy. Welcome back, everybody, to another unboxing video. Today we have something from MIL-SPEC MONKEY. So I just wanted to order something to help organize my patches. So let's go ahead and open this. I've actually gotten some patches from MIL-SPEC MONKEY in the past, but now I want something to put them on. So this is what I expected. Let's see. Yep. Send a bigger box so that's actually necessary. Okay. So let's get to the first thing I ordered. This is Halco Luxmed. This is a 20 by 60 mat. As you can see, it's actually quite large. I'm not sure how we're going to do this, but actually, this might actually be bigger than that. Let me fold it out. Let me just do a pullback shot real quick. This thing is big. So I'll be able to actually wall mount this. You can see how this is stretching. Getting a little closer. This is actually the soft side, so if I actually grab a patch, let's just grab anything at random. This will work. Boop. You can listen. Pretty good. Again, it's a Halco Luxmed. Put quite a few patches on that. I ordered one other thing to put on the helmet. This is from AGILITE Professional Series. So again, we got this through MIL-SPEC MONKEY, but their information for the product itself is from agilitegear.com. And this is a bridge that goes on top of your helmet. This is actually a universal one, so it actually fits a variety of platforms. Let's see if I get this open here. Nice, easy to open, resealable bag. Well, it was resealable bag. This part is where you can put batteries or your ballast. At the rear of the helmet, this is a crossover piece. Stuff for ID. And just mount like that. So, adjustation of this depending on where it sits on your helmet, or leave it off. And this is held down right here. See all the mounting points. Pretty cool. Spot for your batteries and the ballast in case you're putting something on the front of your helmet. Bungee cords. So again, that's Universal Helmet Bridge. agilitegear.com. This was the Halco Luxmed, and these are both obtained from MIL-SPEC MONKEY. You check out their website. They are one of the largest, if not the largest, patch websites on the internet currently. And feel free to check out our other unboxing videos as well as other videos on the channel. Feel free to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.